Everyone, welcome to your science virtual class.
Children, as you know, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Our senses make us aware of changes in our surroundings. Let me explain you with the help of a diagram. A pair of eyes is the organ of sight. It is located in a socket. Eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from external danger. Let's study about the different parts of an eye. So first we have cornea. ये transparent part होता है. It is the front portion of the eye, and as you see, it is convex in shape. Just see here, it is convex in shape. हमारी आई में लाइट कॉर्निया के थ्रू ही एंटर होती है. नाउ आइरिस, इट इज द कलर्ड पार्ट. ये कलर्ड पार्ट होता है. इट इज लोकेटेड जस्ट बिहाइंड द कॉर्निया. इट रेगुलेट्स द अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Now see here, it's pupil. It is a hole in the middle of the iris. The size of the pupil decreases or increases depending upon the intensity of light entering the eye. और इसके बैक में होता है retina. It is a delicate membrane having a large number of light sensitive cells. Cells in the retina are sensitive to light and color. Now we have optic nerve. ये आई को ब्रेन से कनेक्ट करता है और ऑप्टिक नर्व्स के थ्रू ही मैसेज रेटिना से ब्रेन को जाता है. ईयर्स. वी हेयर विद आवर ईयर्स. हम कानों से सुनते हैं, एज यू नो इट वेरी वेल. द पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर वी सी एंड कैन टच इज द आउटर ईयर. दिस वन. Sound enters the outer ear and then passes into the middle ear. वो आवाज़ कहाँ चली जाती है? Middle ear में. The middle ear has the eardrum. When sound passes through the eardrum start vibrating. The eardrum is connected to the tiny bones. The vibration pass along these bones. These vibrations then pass into the inner ear. Nerves in the inner ear then send message to the brain. Now, nose. The nose helps us to smell and breathe. Inside the nose is nasal cavity. Special hair-like structures are present in this cavity. These cavities. When we breathe in air, particles present in air comes into contact with hair. और ये जो hair है, ये क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? ये नर्व्स को सिग्नल देते हैं जो कहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं? ब्रेन तक. फिर ब्रेन क्या बताता है कि किस तरह की स्मेल एयर में आ रही है. द हेयर इन द नोज ऑल्सो ट्रैप डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड जर्म्स एंड प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम गोइंग इनटू आवर लंग्स. So we must always breathe through nose, not from the mouth. Next, tongue. We taste with our tongue, as you know it very well. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. Just look here, taste buds. These taste buds have nerve endings. जब एक बार खाना हमारे मुंह में जाता है तो वो इन टेस्ट बर्ड्स को टच करता है और फिर ये टेस्ट बर्ड्स जो हैं ये मैसेज और सिग्नल जो होता है वो कहाँ भेजती है? ब्रेन तक. द ब्रेन देन टेल अस व्हाट टेस्ट इट इज. द टंग इज सेंसिटिव टू डिफरेंट टेस्ट्स: स्वीट, सार, सॉल्टी एंड बिटर. आवर नेक्स्ट ऑर्गन इज स्किन. द स्किन कवर्स द एंटायर बॉडी. ये हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखती है. द स्किन अलाउज अस टू फील. The skin has nerve endings that are sensitive to heat, cold and pain. Nerves located below the skin gather information and send it to the brain. और फिर brain ये समझता है कि क्या sensation है and gives us the feeling of touch. Now I am going to tell you how to take care of our sense organs. And first is eyes. We must wash our eyes with cold and clean water on regular basis. We should not rub our eyes. We must not read in dim light. We must not watch TV or play video games for a long time. While reading or writing, must keep the book or notebook at a proper distance from the eye. Ears. We should make a regular habit of cleaning our ears using cotton swabs. We should avoid listening to loud music for a prolonged period of time. We should not regularly use earphones to listen to music. Now, taking care of the nose. Do not pick your nose. Do not clean the nose by putting any object inside it. Gently blow out. Now, tongue. A dirty tongue can cause bad breath and mouth diseases, so it must be kept clean. Whenever you brush your teeth, you must also clean the tongue with a tongue cleaner. Now, skin. Skin should be kept dry and clean to prevent infections. Use a mild soap to bath. Take extra care of the skin around your toes. Consult a doctor in case of a skin injury, burn, or infection. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.